and boats and sand make the ocean meet the land and wave. We guard the ladder with our fists as the water